In this session, going to explaining about the parts of the table. The researcher collect huge volume of the data from the respondents. It cannot be easily understood by the anyone without the proper presentation. The tabulation helps to give the huge data in a summarized form and easily understandable form. The tabulation means a process of summarizing the raw data and displaying them on convenient manner for further analysis. The tabulation helps to understand the data in a simple manner without the help of the others. It provides the huge and complex data in a systematic and easily understandable manner. This is the example of the table. This table displays the age level of the respondents. The researcher collected the data from 130 respondents about the age level. It reveals that 12 respondents are belonging to the age group of 25 and 37.69% of the respondents are belonging to 25 to 35 years age. So the tabulation process helps to understand the data in a simplified manner. Now I explaining about the parts of the table. The parts of the tables are classified into three headings, namely heading, body, and notations. The heading part include three parts, namely table number, table heading, and designation unit. Table number. The researcher used so many tables for their presentation. In order to identify the table, the researcher must give a specific and unique number for the table. This is the table number, table 4.2. It helps to understand the table where it is available. The second part is called as table heading. The researcher put heading for the table. This heading is related to the topic which are displayed in the table. In this table, I explaining about the age group of the respondents. So I put the table about age level of the respondent or the respondents' age levels should be mentioned as the heading. The headings represent the data, nature of the data. And the third part is called as designation of the unit. Sometimes the researchers used any numbers, huge numbers are used in the data. At the time, the researchers mentioned the number of units, including everything. There is numbers in 12. It represents that it includes 12,000 respondents. It consists of 49,000 respondents. Suppose the researchers studying about the national income. The national incomes are comes to crores and crores. At the time, the researchers used this type of definition of the unit. And the second part is called as body. The body consists of three parts, namely caption, stop, and field or body. The caption means the column heading. In simple, the table consists of rows and columns. The captions means the heading of the columns. Here I have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. The first column heading is called as serial number, and the second column heading is called as age group, and third one is called as number of respondents, and last one is called as the percentage. It's called as the captions. And the next part is called as step. Step means the heading of the row. That means the row headings are called as step. In this, I am using about the four rows. Sorry, five rows. The first row is called as below 25 years. And second one is called as 25 to 35 years. That means that each and every row must be having some headings. That heading is called as step. And the third part is called as field or body. It means it is the main part of the data. It contains the main information. It's called as that the field is contains about 12, 49, 43, 21, and 5. That is the main important elements of the table. It contains the collected data. And 71 is called as notation. That is the end part of the table. It consists of two parts. One is called as sources and another one is called as footnote. The sources means where we collect the data or where we uh, retrieve the data. These data are related to primary data. That is the respondents collected by himself. So it is called as sources as a primary data. Suppose the researchers retrieve the data from the internet. You have to mention the web pages link. That is www.xly.html. This should be mentioned as a source. It means that where we retrieve the data. And last one is called as footnote. So if the researcher mentioned any of the instructions given related to the topic, that is put as a specific mark and it represents in the last part of the table. That is called here 3.85. We have to put the asterisk mark. That means that it's only a estimation numbers. Mostly it is used in the national income computations and population conclusions is calling about some estimations are put it. That type of any footnotes, any notes given to related to the particular data, it must be given as a footnote. These are the parts of the table. Thank you.